I'm Tony Munter of Price Benowitz, and if you look up the biggest collections and biggest cases under the False Claims Act, most of them will involve some form of illegal marketing of prescription drugs. Some now involve medical devices as well. There are a lot of reasons for this. I suppose the biggest reason is that Medicare and Medicaid pay so much for patient care, and a lot of that care involves prescription drugs. Drugs are highly regulated. The FDA has to approve the drug for sale in this country, and it has to approve the language that a company can use to market the drug. It also has to approve the use for which the drug is intended. But a doctor can prescribe a medication for any purpose. Here's the thing to understand about how this happens. In most, if not all instances, while the government pays for the insurance or the claim for health care, the government is not involved in the decision of how to treat a particular patient. The government is just supposed to pay what looks like a legitimate claim for the treatment of a patient. So if there is a prescription for a drug that is covered for any use under Medicare, the claim usually gets paid. Now, if that prescription actually came about because of some kind of illegal marketing campaign, or an inducement, or some misrepresentation to doctors, or if there's a medical device which should not have been used, well, that can create an action under the Federal False Claims Act. And those cases have, as I say, resulted in the biggest awards under the law. The reason for this is simple. Doctors are supposed to control how health care is allocated in the best interest of patients, and it should not be controlled by multinational companies with an interest in selling their products.